straight piping the 4-inch out. Why am I orange again? Jesus Christ, it's definitely something to do with this camera. There we go. I don't know why the setting was like on orange, like my president, LOL. But yeah, so I was driving one day. Let's see if I can get under here and show you. And this pipe right here literally just yeeted from the muffler, because I was literally just driving this thing normally, and then it just got really, really loud. Like I hit like a bump and it got really loud, and I was like, oh, and there's no way to just replace the muffler without it being like overly complicated. So I'm literally just gonna go to AutoZone, buy like a big long pipe that's 2 inches in diameter and slide it over the thing, and boom, got the straight pipe, boys. I don't know if you can hear that or not. I mean, it's like kind of loud. So while I'm at AutoZone, I'm gonna get the AC recharge thing too. And then so updates about the M3. Here's 2 pictures of the cage. He said those were the 2 hardest, was the hoop and the bar that runs from the hoop to the A-pillar to the bottom of the floor near where your feet are, because he made that as tight as possible, especially around the headroom area right here, the pipe that, because this is the hoop and then the pipe right here. I specifically said that I want this like to literally be wedged against the metal, because my head, I'm really tall, and with a helmet it almost touches. He said that's the hard part. He said he should probably be done by like tomorrow or Wednesday. Hopefully I have the car back by then, because I don't want to keep making videos on this stupid crappy car. Like I actually want to do cool stuff with the M3. Oh, so this is how the Sentra sounds, by the way. Here, I'm sure you can hear this. It's freaking less raspy than my car, but whatever. That's not me flooring it, but... So first I recharged my air conditioning, so now it's cold, which is great because it's kind of hot here sometimes. And I got this long boy 2-inch pipe. It's not going to be needed to be this long. It'll probably get cut somewhere here. I got a clamp, a 2-inch clamp to clamp it onto the existing pipe, and some weird hanger thing which wraps around this and then wraps around a hanger to keep the pipe up. So there's the old muffler. As you can see, it literally cracked around here. So I mean, it's not like I can really fix it. Like, yeah, I can buy a new muffler, but if I show you, I looked at the diagrams, and there's supposed to be a quick disconnect point, like right where that weld is. So it seems like this exhaust has broken in the past, and they just cheaply welded the pipe on. So I would have to replace the whole thing, which I'm not gonna do. So I literally just clamped this, slid it over, clamped it down so it can't come off. Use this weird like metal thing that hooks onto the existing hanger. Shouldn't slip off because there's like kind of a knob here, and then here it shouldn't slip off because this goes all the way down here, and it's like a little turn down, so it kind of looks OEM. It flops around left and right a lot, but pushing down it shouldn't fall off. So let's see how it sounds. Sounds pretty stupid. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching my crappy car videos. Like I said, hopefully tomorrow I will have the M3 back, or Wednesday, or please, I hope it's one of those 2 damn days, because I really want my damn car back. I just want to drive it around. I don't care if it looks like crap. I just want to drive it, man. I miss it. It's so much better than this car. You can go over 60 miles an hour without the wheel shaking. I can go 140 miles an hour without the wheel shaking in that thing, quite honestly. But I'll see you guys hopefully in the next 2 days getting the car back, because I don't really know what else to do.